Walking Dead.
What if my parents come home and I'm not there? I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Hey, there were some batteries in one of those boxes. Here, you can have some too.
I think we should look for your parents.
They always stay in the same place when they go there.
The Marsh House?
Yes, that's it!
You didn't come into town from the railroad, did you?
We gotta go! Yeah, why?
Clementine? Clementine! Oh. Clementine's gone. Wherever she is, I have to find her. This is something I have to do alone.
We'll look for Clementine together.
Hell yeah.
She's my family now. She's all I got.
Hell yeah,
Hell,
dog.
In the end, family's all that matters. I don't want to cause any trouble.
Ouais, bon, Kenny, ça va.
Ah Ben,
Ça va
putain.
Clementine.
Oh, damn.
Alright. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ah mais j'ai 460 FPS sur le jeu là.
Qui n'est pas possible.
Vernon, get out here! There doesn't have to be any trouble here. All I want is the girl. Give her back and nobody needs to get hurt. Clementine, are you all right? Where are you? Vernon, you son of a bitch.
Hello, Lee.
Tu vois, c'est tueur.
Who is this?
It's not Vernon if that's what you're thinking. And you should really watch your tone. Clementine's fine. But if I were you, I'd choose my next words very carefully.
What do you want from me? Whatever it is, I'll do it. You can let her go.
I want you to never hurt anybody again. This isn't a kidnapping, Lee.
Je contrôle.
Bah, tu dit rien?
Bah, je contrôlais rien en fait.
Mais fais avec le clavier pour les réponses.
Letting that sink in.
Ah ouais, tu fais ça toi?
Ah moi je suis avec le clavier.
J'ai bien les contrôles.
Ah ouais oui.
Ok. Ah voilà.
You better not fucking hurt her. I swear.
Don't worry, pal. We'll get her back.
Tu sais qu'on a pris un mec qui boite quand même pour venir.
How's that feeling?
Ça va.
Don't worry about it.
It wasn't a full chomp.
No, it wasn't.
We don't have much time.
Oh, il a à peine goûté. Ah oui, non, on a vraiment pas le time du tout en fait.
We're about to have a lot less. We'll all make sure nothing gets in. You're still the smartest fucker out of all of us. Try to find another way out of here.
Oh là là, c'est terrible.
C'est la merde.
Ah ouais, c'est affreux.
Nothing through here.
Pourquoi ça fait ça? C'est
Damn.
incroyable.
I was kinda hoping they dug some secret tunnels or something.
Non, parce que tu vois, genre le mouvement. Ah oui, mais attends, je suis pas en QWERTY. Les mouvements sont fluides. Genre, tu vois, je peux faire ça. Par contre, genre vraiment la souris. La souris, ça ne marche pas.
On avait pas fait des recherches, t'avais pas fait un truc pour que ça aille mieux?
Mais non. La semaine dernière, on a joué comme ça, genre ça marchait bien quoi. Ça veut dire qu'en fait, genre on peut refaire Amnesia quoi.
Hey,
We'll have time to
Si
chit
on
chat.
arrive à solutionner ça.
Bah ouais.
Parce que là, genre ouais, vraiment les mouvements, tu vois, genre je fais ce que je veux quoi, je me déplace, y a pas de soucis quoi.
Après là ça va, t'arrives à cliquer quand même un peu.
Ouais, mais si tu veux, en fait, je sais pas comment expliquer. Genre, si j'essaye. Tu vois, genre là par exemple, je suis ici.
Ouais.
Et genre, je vais essayer de faire une ligne droite vers mon personnage. Là, la souris est freeze. Et après, STP. Tu vois, genre.
Bah, je pense qu'en fait, au moment où STP, en fait, tu lag quand tu parles sur Discord.
Ouais, mais je sais pas pourquoi.
It's like a carjack. I don't want to imagine this being used on a body.
Ah, faut pas que tu la bouges trop vite ou je sais pas.
Just some surgical supplies.
Écoute, j'espère que ça va aller pour les QT
Ah,
ou quoi.
attends. Attends.
Ouais, c'est moyen quoi.
Ah, en fait, ouais, au bout d'un moment, genre elle commence à se TP ma souris. Je sais pas pourquoi. Peu importe si je vais vite ou pas.
Ah, tu regardes pas sur le plan de travail? Ah non, t'avais rien?
Je l'ai regardé, c'est genre c'était marqué, c'est du matériel médical et genre je peux rien en faire. C'est un ascenseur ça.
Hey, I think I found a way out. I'll have these doors open in 2 seconds.
Oh, ça a l'air de faire du bruit derrière, Michael. Oh god damn. Oh!
Fuck. Is he alive? Shit. This is bad. Fuck! Help me move it.
Okay. This has to be done. Sorry, pal. I gotta do it.
I'm awake!
Stop! He's awake!
He's still bitten.
So?
This is about trying to save him. At the very least, buy him some time.
Chopping his arm off. Do we know it works?
We don't know anything.
We know there's gonna be a lot of blood.
There's gonna be a shitload of blood.
What if he dies?
Then the rest of us go after Clementine and get the hell out of Savannah.
Jesus, what are you guys talking about?
We thought if we took off the bitten arm, you'd have a shot.
I know it's drastic,
You think?
but what if it works? It might be the only way.
What do you think?
No,
Ah ouais, d'accord.
we leave it.
Ah.
Je vais pas couper mon propre bras.
Yeah.
Bah.
Just keep an eye on
Ça aurait pu peut-être te sauver en
my
fait.
hands on the bastard who's got Clem. I'd be happy to have them both.
Voilà, faut que tu saches que t'es condamné en fait.
You're gonna die.
Ah ouais?
Yeah, but not in here. You guys keep an
Non
eye
mais
on
si
that door.
coupe mon bras, je
I'll
vais
work on
mourir
getting us
aussi au
out
bout
of
d'un
here.
moment.
Bah ça coupe l'infection en fait, peut-être,
This
on
is
sait
what
pas.
we're doing, and I don't wanna hear
Ah, tant pis,
anything
t'as fait le
else,
choix, hein.
okay?
Bah tout le monde est déjà infecté.
Non, mais tu sais, on sait que quand on est mordu, au bout d'un moment on se transforme, même sans mourir.
Ah bon?
C'est pour ça que je te l'ai rappelé, plusieurs fois d'ailleurs, à chaque fois.
Just some
Il y a deux
surgical
façons de se
supplies.
transformer en zombie, en mourant naturellement ou en se faisant mordre.
Ah ouais?
Ah bah... Ah tant pis hein, oh, c'est comme ça.
Je croyais que c'était genre tu m'as transformé parce que tu mourrais quoi.
Ah bah...
Bah tant pis, j'ai besoin de mon bras hein.
All right, up we go.
We're gonna have to go as quiet as possible and see if we can make it to an empty floor or even the roof.
Sounds good. Nice and quiet, everybody. There's some light up there.
Good. Gotta get my ass off this ladder. Everything okay up there?
Oh, just fucking peachy.
Lee! Lee! Oh God. Are you alive? Get up!
I'm alive. I think.
You have to pull yourself up. Good job.
Bonjour tout le monde.
Bonjour, bonjour.
J'ai des trucs à faire, tu crois? J'ai vu
Alors,
juste ça. On verra bien. Hôpital.
Remember when Savannah was empty?
Those Crawford bastards did one thing right, I guess.
There must be thousands of them.
They didn't follow us here, did they?
It sure seems like it.
That's crazy. They can't track. They just roam.
Is it? That fucking train wasn't exactly discreet.
Well, what do we do now?
Maybe we can wait for an opening.
We could be waiting a long time.
Still, Lee's right, and that we gotta pick our time and go. Anybody know how far and in what direction the mansion is? We probably ought to start there.
It's between us and River Street, so we can stop if we have to. Retrace our steps, maybe. And they get going towards a hotel where Clem's parents were staying.
Okay. Look, let's get our bearings and see if we can figure out a way to make it across town. Good? Good.
I don't think we can ignore what just happened to Lee.
Just lost my footing, that's all.
You gotta let us know if you start feeling funny, you know?
I know. It's just dizziness, that's all. I'm all good.
As good as you can be.
Yeah. Good as I can be.
Now what?
We get down and we find a little girl out
Bon, je vais
there.
mourir dans la saison 2 quoi.
Right, pal? Now, let's get our
On va
bearings.
finir cette histoire. Well.
Tu veux dire quoi, halt en anglais?
C'est help. C'est juste que.
Ouais, mais du coup, quelqu'un a fait juste ça exprès, non? Non, c'était
Non,
pas
c'est
un mot.
juste qu'il a commencé à se faire bouffer, à mon avis, parce que. Vu la peinture. Il a pas eu le temps de finir.
It's an extension ladder.
Perspicace le gars quand même.
Some poor bastard took a spill.
Yeah, looks like whoever was up here painting that sign went ass over tea kettle.
Hospital must have run out of doctors.
Eh ben, c'était utile tout ça. Non, elle, je l'aime pas. Lui, il a voulu couper mon bras. Vraiment que des gens nuls ici. Si seulement Chuck était vivant.
Chuck, le meilleur.
Chuck the best.
That's
Ah
the
non, je
church
voulais pas aller
across
là,
the
mais c'est
street
pas
from
grave.
the mansion. River Street should be just beyond that.
We need to head back that way. We'll stop off at the mansion, like you said, and make sure we didn't overlook anything.
Yeah. Just need to figure out a way to get there.
En vrai, le truc qui serait cool à faire, c'est genre, tu vois, T'installes des tyroliennes entre les immeubles.
À la Dying Light. Ah mais tu connais pas.
That looks
Ah
like
si,
Crawford
t'as déjà vu.
Square.
Si, je l'ai joué.
Ah oui c'est
Oh, je
vrai.
l'ai joué, je l'ai.
C'est vrai, c'est vrai.
Did
T'as pas
fix up
fini.
our boat, though. We get
Non.
Clementine and get right back.
Make sure she wears her life jacket, okay? Something tells me she's not gonna want to. That looks like Crawford Square over there.
D'accord, mais...
Here's a way down.
Yeah, if half the dead population of Georgia wasn't wandering the streets down there.
Ouais, ça reste quand même un escalier.
Ah, faut, je pense, le verre au mid, hein.
Ouais.
Pas le choix.
Ouais, amener ma souris ici.
He or she walked away from whatever accident happened. And that doesn't really mean much.
Ah. Ok.
What's up over here?
Bell tower. That's what's up.
Yeah, that could help.
Non.
With the bell tower on this side of the hospital and the mansion over there, that might be our way off this rooftop. If I can make it to that bell tower, I can draw the walkers down to that side of the hospital. There'll be thousands of them. That'll thin out the streets between here, the mansion, and River Street.
Ouais, non mais c'est bon, il faut que j'aille chercher l'échelle, j'ai
For a
compris.
few minutes.
Et hop. Salut.
Hmm.
Est-ce que je peux le pousser? Non.
Ah, tu peux lui parler.
Non, mais j'ai pas envie.
Je ne veux point.
Je ne veux pas, je l'aime pas.
Je l'aime pas.
Je l'aime pas. Je l'ai abandonné sur le train, c'était pour une raison.
C'est vrai.
Oui, non mais je peux y aller à pied. Oh. Oh oui, c'est pas du tout dangereux de faire ça.
The bells.
Yeah, could buy us some time. Draw as many as we can this way. Get down off the roof on the opposite side and bust our asses getting back to the mansion.
You think you should be the one to go?
My
Oh,
leg's
non.
feeling better. Let me do it.
If we
Ah,
have
mais
to
c'est bon,
decide
Kenny
who
peut.
takes a risk like this, it should be the guy who's got the least to lose. What's the
Oh, comment
worst
je
that
le
could
regarde.
happen? I get bitten again?
Quelqu'un qui aurait perdu sa
So we
femme et
agree
son
then.
fils, par exemple. Quoi?
Bah oui, s'il a dit qu'est-ce que je risque de me faire mordre une deuxième fois.
Bah de tomber et de mourir, en fait.
Bah de toute façon, c'est pas comme s'il était déjà condamné.
Oui, mais bon, genre, tu vois, si Kenny il monte à ma place, genre il risque pas de se péter la gueule, tu vois. À moins d'être vraiment nul. Si moi je m'évanouis sur l'échelle, bon bah voilà.
Oh shit.
Désolé.
Allez.
Holy shit, man! Are you okay?
Ah,
Yeah.
oui.
I'm fine.
Try to find another way out of there?
Je vais sonner la cloche. Alors que s'il y avait des tyroliennes.
They're coming this way.
Tons of them! Jesus!
Now get back here.
Est-ce que vous pouvez aller chercher un petit matelas?
Un poté. Je demande pas le matelas.
J'ai pas demandé un
I
king
think I have to
size,
jump.
juste un petit
There's no
matelas.
way back.
You can make it! It ain't that
Mais
far!
t'avais vu une trappe en plus, non? C'est dommage.
It's not that far, just a little hop.
Avant de sonner la cloche, en fait, t'aurais pu regarder, il y avait une sorte de trappe dans le clocher.
Non mais attends, c'est pas encore...
Bah...
Ah si.
We gotta go! Jump!
Fuck, man. I don't know if I can make it.
You're psyching yourself out!
J'essaye de trouver
You
des
gotta do this,
alternatives.
pal!
Je ne peux pas.
Just
Bon bah
jump!
vas-y, quitte. Si j'arrive à viser.
Oh, une trappe. Pardon.
Non mais je l'avais vu la trappe, mais je pensais que je pouvais le faire après. Ah, c'est trop dur.
I got you! Let's get the hell off this roof!
Donc n'oublie pas, en cas d'invasion zombie en 2021, il faut apprendre le parcours.
Ok. Le free parcours, le free run. Ouais, courir sur les toits et tout.
Le freerun. Parkour.
Come on, please.
Comment il a fait? What? Oh putain, il est encore merdé, sérieux.
What are you doing?
Don't get mad. The boat's gone.
No shit, it's gone.
Relax. Ben, what
oh.
happened?
They were waiting for me in here.
Who?
Vernon, his whole crew.
Was Clementine with them?
No, he seemed pissed you guys lost her, and, well, they took it. They're gone.
Ben, you are worthless!
How's Lee feeling?
Don't change the subject. I can't believe you didn't even put up a fight.
Omid, can you go over the fence and let us into the backyard? We shouldn't be out in the open.
Yeah.
This is not happening. Everything is so fucked.
Clementine is still out there.
So we get Clementine, and then what?
We get the fuck out of cities. I'm done with cities. We go into the countryside and make a go of it.
Yeah,
Et on fait
that
pousser
seems
la
like a good
tomate.
idea to me.
Nobody asked you.
You just did.
Don't get fucking smart with me, Ben.
Chill.
Do you remember we had a boat? A boat!
Krista's right. Boat was a pipe dream. We still go after Clem, and then we get out of Savannah and rethink our entire plan.
Rethink? How about we just think for once?
That's what I'm saying we do. Calm down, Kenny.
Yeah, chill.
Oh, il va se manger une claquette lui.
We can do this in the yard.
Ben, I swear to God.
What do we do without a boat?
Ah, aller
Get
à
to
la
the
campagne.
countryside. Dicked around with cities and coastlines and boats too long. Take her out there. Live as safe as you can, okay?
Look, I agree with you.
Pardon.
I
C'est
think
bizarre
out
parce
in
que
the
du coup
country
le
is
truc
the
était pas en
safest
avant,
place to
il a
be.
pas mis. Salut
But you're
Trucky,
not dead
ça va?
yet, so put a pin in that, okay?
Ah c'est la merde.
Where the hell do you get off?
I'm just saying we should all chill. Not just you.
Chill? Bandits? Hey, chill. Here's some pills. Vernon, chill. Here's our fucking boat.
This isn't my fault.
I can't point to one thing that's happened that isn't somehow your fault. Lee should have left you in Crawford.
Fuck you, Kenny!
Careful, guys.
No, let him.
I am so sorry about Katya and Duck. I am! And I know I fucked up. But stop pushing me around and stop wishing I was dead! No! You know how they died. You've said goodbye. I never got to see my family, my parents, my little sister. Do you get that? Your family is gone, but at least you had them to lose. I never made it home. They could be alive, or dead, or walkers, or worse, and I don't know! So give me a fucking break!
Oh, Ben,
Oh shit! Here they come!
in the house!
Ah, il a encore fait n'importe quoi.
They shouldn't be able to get into the backyard, right? Maybe not.
We can secure this place.
Krista,
Les
get on the
fenêtres.
windows in the front room. Check the boards.
Got it.
Kenny,
Kenny.
look for weapons.
Cud.
Gather anything you can find.
Will do.
Ben,
Ben, arrête de faire des conneries. Déplacer les
I'll
meubles.
just,
Mais putain, mec,
do
dis-lui quelque chose.
something.
Omi,
Ah ouais, mais je cherche.
what is it?
Putain, Omiz, il est. Il est terrifié.
Front doors.
Ah, le salaud. Ah, j'essaye de cliquer. Mais je suis en train de taper sur mon propre pied là, non? Ah non, ça va.
Lee, help!
Cut their fucking arms off!
There's gotta be a knife or something in there.
Hurry!
Ah ouais. À se dépêcher, ça va être au-delà de mes compétences.
Oh le bol.
Take their
Ça
goddamn
peut couper une main,
arms
ça.
off!
Alors faut que je fasse attention à pas couper la tête de. C'est très proche de son visage. Ok, il en reste?
Now what?
Get ready to fight.
This place seems sturdy to
Get
me.
ready to
I think
fight.
we're fine.
Ah, c'est solide. Ouais. Oh là là.
Sturdy my ass. Get up.
Oh, c'était la meuf de l'autre fois?
Ouais.
T'as vu?
Brie.
C'est Brie.
Brie. La drogue, elle est bonne. Ouais.
Guys, help me with this!
Quoi, la drogue?
Je sais pas, ouais.
Qui c'est qui dit ça?
C'est Tuki. Tuki.
Ah oui, non mais...
Everyone get to the end of the hallway.
What do we do now? This'll slow him down. Get to the end of the hallway and take a fucking
Bah,
stand.
ils vont passer par-dessus.
Can't let ourselves get trapped.
Let's get as many as we can. When we see an opening, we go for it. How many bullets y'all have?
3.
5, 4,
2. Y'all know where to aim.
Get ready.
Pas terrible comme strat parce que du coup on risque de tirer sur les mêmes et de gaspiller des balles.
Bah toi de viser soit en premier, soit après.
1. Double kill. Triple kill. Quadra kill.
Ah non, vous avez gaspillé une même balle. Ah.
Ah non, moi je tire.
Ah, la tête du mec terrifié. Ah oui. Tu sais de
Mid.
Genre.
Déjà on a l'emote de Kenny
Ouais.
sur Discord.
T'as perdu ton arme, mec.
C'est pas grave, elle était vide. Ah, heureusement qu'on a tué l'enfant zombie.
Bon, c'est pas comme s'il allait faire quelque chose.
I'm not good with these. You dropped it down there.
That could have gone better.
Everyone okay?
Lee's still bitten.
Shut up.
Okay, let's get out of here and keep moving.
Kid's right. We gotta keep moving. Think there's any chance we get Clem and catch up to those goddamn thieves?
I don't know. Maybe.
Where we're not
C'est
going
des
out through this
retraités, ça
window.
court pas vite.
No latches, no
Mais
roof
c'est pas
access,
Vernon,
and
il
30
a dit dans le
feet
walkie.
straight down.
Anyone have any ideas?
I bet this guy would. He's
Hop.
got a resourceful
Mais non, mais
arrow.
qui a volé le bateau, c'est
Ah oui,
Dixon
oui, oui.
Vernon et les
the
autres.
third. Industrial
Need?
Bon.
Krista. Just trying to lighten the fucking tone.
We need solutions, not stupid jokes.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
So, no ideas then.
There's gotta be another way.
Check the floor for any other access. A vent. Anything.
Or we wait for the house
Vent.
to clear out and stick to the high
On
ground.
connaît ça.
Whoa,
On n'est pas des
Lee,
tueurs,
you
donc ça passe
okay?
pas.
Yeah, I'm
Vent, on connaît.
gonna have to just...
Et alors du coup, j'y ai pensé tout à l'heure. Genre, hier j'avais ton stream en plus de parsec et genre ça marchait très bien.
Ouais, je sais pas, après, qu'est-ce qui...
Je sais pas.
I'm okay. I'm really parent. No.
Quoi?
Lee, get up!
J'ai rêvé ou...
Yeah, I did.
Quoi?
What did that mean?
Ah non.
She's at the hotel where her parents were staying. He hasn't moved her.
Yet.
Yeah. Yet.
We need to start thinking about more than just Clementine when it comes to our urgency.
What do you mean?
How do we get out of here?
That's the whole point. We don't know.
Okay, now your life depends on it. How do you get out of here?
I don't know. I don't get it.
I do.
Like I said, everyone needs to keep looking for a way out, damn it. We're trapped in here.
How long you think we have?
What? I don't know.
We should have cut it off. At least then there would have been a chance.
Well, you didn't, and it's too late now.
I think we need to have an adult conversation about what happens if Lee takes another spill.
Hey, look.
We could be looking at a Larry situation here.
Who's Larry?
It don't matter.
Huh.
He looks fine to me.
Okay, what do you want to do?
Just talk about it.
Does that conversation end with me getting something dropped on my head?
Now, hey!
Guys, I don't know what happened before Omid and I showed up, but we can cross this bridge when we get to it.
Lee, I'm not advocating anything here, but how is this not a thing? We're all so worked up about Clementine that we're forgetting what the fuck happened to you.
Non, mais non.
My arm is not the issue. I'm not the problem. The 500 walkers in the house and no door in this room are the goddamn problem.
Yeah, maybe at the moment, but who's to say when it becomes an issue? At that point, there may not be any time left to deal with it.
This is getting out of hand.
You're gonna listen to me. We will get Clementine back, with or without you. Because I haven't given up everything to die because we were
Oh
stupid.
bah donc
Then
tu
kill me, you
t'énerves.
son of a bitch, okay? Don't even fucking hesitate.
I will.
Non.
Quoi?
Mais non mais putain mais mec.
Ah!
Ok.
Bah j'avais pas le choix.
In that dude's face.
Shut up, sweetie. Look.
Un trou.
It's corroded to hell.
What's on the other side of this wall? A 30-foot drop?
No, this mansion butts up against the one next door.
I'll be damned.
This wall ain't shit.
Is this really possible?
Yeah, we can do this.
Okay.
We'll work in shifts. Omid, Krista, and I. Lee, you rest. We have to work fast.
Bye Ben.
I wasn't gonna hurt you.
Sure, pal. I know.
I'm glad you told us when you got bitten. It would have been easy not to.
Yeah. Well,
We probably would have let you go alone if you hadn't told us, which would have been a mistake.
If I were you, I would have been scared shitless. When it happened,
I panicked. But now I feel it inside me. Like the day before you get the flu.
it's horrible.
Wish you would have taken it off.
Don't think it matters much now. I'm losing a lot of feeling in it.
Really?
Yeah, it's hot, like when you break a bone. But tingly, like it's asleep.
So when we get this guy, what do you think?
We figure out who he is, and why he's doing this. We can rescue them, but she won't be safe if this guy's not gonna stop.
So, did your crew get into any shit before you met up with us?
Is it possible to have survived and not gotten into some shit?
And, you know, whatever happens to you,
Seriously, can we not talk like that? The entire time we were at the hospital, I could sense you think you're as good as dead.
I'm bitten, Krista. We all know that's a wrap.
There's gotta be something.
I want you guys to take her.
Stop it.
I'm serious. She'll be safe and relatively happy with you two.
We're not doing this right now.
Krista, listen to him.
It's what I want, okay?
What about him?
Oh là, oui.
We gotta support him. He's only a kid still. It's easy to forget that.
He loses shit like that often?
Nah, that was a first.
It's good that he did. Kenny couldn't pull that shit on me.
Kenny's
C'est
been
chaud.
horrible to her. Blames Ben for his family's death, and it's just more complicated than that.
Well, seems like it got through to Kenny. Whatever that's good for.
Alright, I'm out of gas. You look good and rested.
Sure, if you don't count an infected leg.
You want me to do it?
Nah, and you can hop in after me.
Shouldn't be long now. It's good we're forced to take a breath. I still can't believe you went and got chomped. Just... fucking hell.
At least he told us.
Took some brass. I don't think I would've.
How are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I'm sorry. You've lost more than anyone.
It'll be all right, kid.
Why are you acting like what's
Il change de
happening
position très
happened?
rapidement.
C'est ce que j'allais dire.
Anyway, I appreciate it from both of you. A lot of
Le temps
us
que la
have
caméra
lost
se tourne
families.
et ça y est, genre il sera allongé tout à l'heure. C'est quoi ces choix là?
From here on out,
I'm angry as hell.
not at him.
Maybe. Maybe not.
You heard him outside.
I did. I never really thought about it that way.
Bah ouais.
Encore? Jesus
This guy
Christ.
tell you much about what we've been through?
Bits and pieces.
Before y'all, we had this woman, Lily, with us. Lord
Ah,
knows where
Lily.
she is.
Lily.
Anyway, we had to make some tough calls with her dad. She came between Lee and I pretty good. And I spent a lot of nights hating this guy's guts.
Oh, t'es toujours un connard.
It's all water under the bridge. All we can do is move forward.
Well, cheers.
Bon, allez.
Allez.
Allez, petite goutte. Ah, y'en a plus là.
Tu viens de comprendre pourquoi Kenny regardait comme ça ou pas?
I'm through!
Ah, tu comprendras plus tard.
No walkers. Things are looking up.
Attends, tu l'as déjà fait celui-là?
Ah mais je t'ai dit, moi je m'en souvenais plus trop, mais il y a des scènes du coup, je me dis ah. Ah, tu vois, ça se reconstruit au petit à petit pendant tant que je joue.
This place seems pretty sealed off. Well,
Oh.
Ah c'est dur ça par contre.
Ouais, mais free gun.
Let's keep moving. Gotta go.
yeah. We've seen so many people. I don't know why these ones break my heart.
What's heartbreaking is not giving yourself a chance. It's what Katya did.
You did everything you could.
No, Lee. She left me. A son. People that cared about us. I forgive her, but it don't make it any less wrong. You don't just end it
Ah, il se casse
because
le
it's
suicide,
hard.
c'est vrai.
You stick it out, and you help the folks you care about. So let's figure a way out of here and get that little girl.
Oh, il commence un peu à être cool.
We should move.
Yeah.
Got at least one shot left.
let's clear the room before we move on. Lee, figure out where we're headed.
Je leur fais les poches.
Mhm.
Des choses par ici. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
What do you call this thing?
Art?
D'accord. C'était passionnant.
Might be the way out.
Bah.
Le mec qui
c'est
parle
une
pas.
porte, quoi.
Pas la peine de discuter.
Ah, c'est une fenêtre.
Nothing other than
Une
personal
porte-fenêtre.
items in here.
Looks like we can stay off the streets all the way to River Street if we're careful.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Quoi? On saute encore?
Pourquoi il te laisse aller avant quand même? T'es blessé?
Bah j'avoue, personne va m'aider si je tombe quoi. Ils sont pas logiques hein. Évidemment.
Ben!
Me and my fucking mouth.
Holy fuck! What are we gonna do?
Kenny and I can handle this.
Dude, let me help you. You're already hurt.
Even more reason we all don't need to risk it. You worry about her. And if all this goes bad, you might be Clementine's last hope.
We'll keep an eye out.
Ow! I'm
Ah mais il est vivant.
okay.
Je croyais qu'il était dead.
I'm okay. Just get me out of here.
Shh! Quiet, Ben, or they'll be on top of us.
Yeah, try to keep your mouth shut.
I'm sorry. Just get me up. My legs hurt, I think.
We're gonna get your ass up.
Really? I thought you...
Oh.
Fucking hell.
What is it? I'm okay. I'm okay.
We can get you up. We can,
Ow! Oh, ow!
Just yank him off that thing.
What?
Fast, like a band-aid.
Do you think...
Oh.
Fuck!
Fuck! Oh God, don't let them get to me!
Do you have any bullets left? This has only got one left in it.
I'm out.
Shit. Get the fuck out of here.
What?
Go back. She needs you, Lee.
Kenny!
This is not a discussion!
Okay, I'm going.
Good.
Bah il va me suivre,
Get
non?
back up there. Now.
What are you gonna do?
Fucking go!
What? Ah, faut que je bouge ou j'attends? Non, j'attends. Ok.
Back, you sons of bitches! Yeah! Ah!
What the fuck?
Oh, fuck! Kenny, please!
What happened?
They're gone. God damn! God!
I heard a shot.
We needed more bullets.
You needed a miracle. It's not your fault, Lee.
I can't believe them.
You saw them die?
Nobody was getting out of there.
I'm sorry, Lee.
He wasn't a bad guy. A lot of folks might not have always agreed. Maybe even me.
We should go.
Right behind you.
Coup dur. Et là, tu vois, ça nécessite un peu de réflexion en mode, mais si on avait laissé Ben dans la cloche, qu'est-ce qui se serait passé? Tu vois?
Nothing to say. We need to stay focused on what we're doing.
I know we can't just take a minute, but you're not a machine. Look, Lee, this is a shitty time, but I want to clear something up.
What is it?
Now with Kenny gone, means Omid and I have to stay safe.
Voilà.
For her.
Tu vas comprendre.
Yeah, you do.
Ils
Let
vont
me take all
m'abandonner.
the risks.
That's not what I mean, necessarily.
It's what I mean. It's what we gotta do.
Fuck. Be careful across here.
Bon, j'ai vu suffisamment de films pour savoir quoi que ça va se passer.
Tiens donc.
River Street's just up ahead.
C'est la première fois que ça arrive.
C'est la première fois que ça se passe bien.
Careful.
Un trou.
Even the buildings are full.
You never know where the next meal is.
Be careful through here.
Yeah, we don't need any more accidents. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Marshall's Hotel is around the corner of the block. We have to cross here.
Well,
Ah oui, pourquoi pas.
at least it doesn't look like a death trap. Who's going first?
Putain, les visages des gens, sans déconner.
He's got a busted leg and you're walking for two. I'm obviously not doing so hot. Decision doesn't make itself. I'll go first, in case anything happens out there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Mais quelle mauvaise idée. Alors qu'il suffirait de construire une tyrolienne.
Just go nice and slow.
Tout va bien.
Almost
Par
there.
contre, genre,
It's an easy crossing.
Good.
ce que je trouve un peu nul, genre dans les films et dans les jeux et tout, c'est genre. Là,
Oh fuck!
genre là, le truc, tu sais, ça fait pas si longtemps que ça que l'apocalypse
Are you
a commencé,
okay?
tu vois, genre.
Fine.
Pourquoi est-ce que c'est déjà cassé, tu vois, genre.
What are you
Ah oui,
gonna
bah je
do?
sais pas. Bah, c'est peut-être vieux de base, hein, tu sais, des fois t'as des bâtiments, t'as bien vu en Sicile comment ils étaient dégueux ces bâtiments.
I'm going for it.
Going for it?
What does
Ouais,
that
mais
mean?
bon, genre là,
It
on.
means I'm already bitten. I just have to push my way through.
What the fuck?
Let's meet outside of town, by the train.
Are you nuts?
It's the only way. Do you hear me?
Yeah, by the
Près
train.
du train.
Jesus. We'll be there.
Quoi? Pourquoi je descends dans la rue? Quelle mauvaise idée.
Bah t'as pas le choix.
Quelle indignité.
Quelle indignité.
Infected. Ah, j'ai remonté ma manche depuis tout à l'heure. Intéressant. Ah, ça fait plus de damage s'il y a du sang.
Cowboy.
Oh mec, je suis dans la merde. Je te préviens, je vais mourir. Il va falloir que tu le fasses.
Bah, tu t'en sors bien.
Ouais, mais pour l'instant, parce qu'il n'y a pas de choix trop difficile.
Oh non mec!
Et je peux pas cliquer aussi vite que ça, genre c'est impossible de viser. Je te dis, il va falloir que tu le fasses, hein. Je vais pas aller jusqu'au bout. Ah mais non.
Bah alors petit chou, on a du mal avec sa souris? Bon allez, je le fais
je-
si tu veux.
Je peux pas viser. Je vais regarder sur internet, s'il y a pas une solution.
Ça va être à toi.
Ça y est, je reprends.
Est-ce que tu te souviens?
Quoi?
Rien.
Bah c'est la voiture des connards qu'on a volée. Enfin c'est la même en tout cas.
Ça y ressemble. C'était pas ça.
Attends. J'ai une idée.
Tu as utilisé ta manette?
Non, j'ai essayé tout à l'heure, ça ne marche pas, mais je viens de me souvenir que j'avais une petite souris Bluetooth.
Oh, tu penses que c'est ça?
Bah, j'avais vu l'autre jour que genre il y avait un mec qui disait que certaines marques de souris et certains modèles genre ça foutait la merde.
Ok.
J'ai essayé, ça coûte rien.
Oh mec, c'est ça?
Bah ouais.
Putain. putain, t'as vraiment une souris de merde.
What?
Change ta souris, mon gars.
Mais gros, ma souris c'est une SteelSeries, elle m'a coûté genre 60 balles.
Bah, achète moins cher la prochaine fois.
Et là c'est une Logitech, ça m'a coûté 10 euros.
Ah putain, mon gars. Ah, quoique non. Non, si, c'est bon. Bah, en fait, on pourra jouer à Amnesia du coup.
Ah, ouais.
Là, y a un petit peu
C'est
du mal des
moyen
fois.
bon, quand même.
On sait que la souris peut jouer.
Oh, je suis dégueulasse. Après, c'est peut-être genre que tu vois, vu que la souris, genre, tu vois, je peux configurer le DPI, je peux configurer les touches et tout. Ça se trouve, genre, il y a beaucoup d'infos à envoyer.
Ouais, je sais pas, peut-être. Ouais, j'avoue, ça peut.
Bonjour.
I got us adjoining rooms.
Énorme blague.
Hello.
Okay. This is Sybil. You look horrible.
Merci.
Go over there. Put your things down.
Let me out! Who's out there?
Ah. Oh.
Quiet, please, sweetie. Your things. There.
J'aurais pu en profiter le temps qu'il tourne son arme pour lui éclater sa tronche.
This is all I've got, okay?
J'aurais peut-être pas dû faire ça.
You travel light. I don't believe you.
Mais non! Putain.
That's what I thought.
Mais ça va bien se passer. No
You
spoil,
shouldn't
please.
lie. Sit down.
Ah, j'ai gardé la vitre. Le morceau de verre.
Do you know who I am?
Oui.
I know who you are.
You saw my car out front then. You see anything else you want in there? Not a whole lot left.
I didn't take from you.
Your people didn't?
I didn't agree with it.
That's what Clementine said. Why didn't you?
It wasn't right. It wasn't our stuff.
That's real good of you.
Look, what do you want me to say?
I don't want you to say anything. I want you to know what happened. Have you ever hurt somebody you care about?
Oh, 2 ou 3, ouais.
Not on purpose.
If it were on purpose, you'd be a sociopath. I hurt her
Il a pas tort.
so bad. My son Adam went missing. I took him out hunting even though my wife said he was too young. I figured he had to learn.
Et je lui ai tiré dessus.
I came
Pardon.
back without him and the look on her face said, "You are a monster." We all went out looking for him. We never found him. I hurt her so bad. And then we came back, and all our stuff was gone. Your people, Lee. That asshole in the ball cap. His stupid fucking wife. I could have earned her trust back if they hadn't made our situation so desperate.
I'm sorry.
The hungrier we got, the more she blamed me. Until she finally took our daughter Elizabeth and left.
Oh.
They didn't get far. I found them A day later, in the road. Do I look like a monster to you?
No.
I'm not like you. You walked a little girl into a dairy full of sick people and let them get their hands on her.
Bah, je savais pas.
It's more complicated than that.
You abandoned a defenseless, grieving woman.
Oh, c'était une connasse.
You weren't there.
You brought her to the most dangerous place in this city where she could have died.
That's not the whole story.
The whole story?
How could you know all this?
You're a monster. You're a murderer and a thief. And I'm gonna hurt you so bad.
It doesn't have to be this way.
You can't take care of anyone. After I found Clementine on my radio, I wasn't even mad at you. I was coming for the others. For revenge. But the more I heard about the things you did and the danger she was in, our plan changed. Lee, listen to me. I need you to hear this before what happens next. I can take care of her. We can have a family.
Mais de
I
qui
bet
parle?
you don't even know how
Clémentine.
old she is.
She's 8.
Wrong. She's 9.
But
Her birthday was 6 days ago.
Non, mais il dit.
I know how to be a dad, you know. She wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
that's not happening. You're crazy.
Keeping her with you is crazy.
Let us go.
No. No, I don't think so. You're going away, and we're starting a new family. Hey, honey. I think this is all gonna work out.
What are you...
J'en étais sûr.
I'm glad too.
Kevin.
I wish it wouldn't have had to get this bad, but it's all over, hon. Isn't it?
Just about.
I hate seeing you like this. I just miss your smile, honey. I miss you so much, Tess. You're gonna like
Yes!
Clementine a lot, though. She's not Lizzie, but she's sweet. She wouldn't hurt a fly.
Mec, t'es nul!
Et quoi? Je suis en train d'appuyer? Et
Non,
what?
t'as pas appuyé, mon gars.
Mais si?
Ah non. A. Tu sais où est la touche A?
I think this is all about.
What are you...
Je te jure que j'étais en train de spammer.
I'm glad too.
C'est que au début j'allais dire genre je suis sûr il a genre la tête d'un de mes potes dans son sac.
Isn't it?
En fait non mais
I hate seeing you like
C'était
this.
pas loin, hein, c'était une tête.
I just miss your smile, honey.
mais c'était chelou
I
qu'ils
miss you
disent genre
so much, Tess. You're gonna like
en gros genre il a
Clementine a lot,
commencé à
though.
dire on
She's
va
not Lizzie, but
garder
she's
la
sweet.
petite avec nous.
She
Tu
wouldn't
sais genre
hurt a
c'est qui
fly.
nous?
Allez, mec!
Ah bah là ça marche. Bim.
Mec, appuie, appuie, appuie!
Mais j'appuie. Je te jure je suis en train de spammer. Bah, c'est pas facile d'étrangler quelqu'un aussi. Je sais pas s'il faut continuer donc dans le doute. Ah ouais, mais là il va se transformer. Grab the gun. Bah, arrête de regarder, dépêche-toi putain.
Vraiment?
Quoi?
Mais puis... Ok.
He would have come back.
Ah, bien sûr, il would have come back.
Non mais tu pourrais pu garder la balle ou...
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Je sais pas si j'avais le choix en vrai.
T'avais un clic droit pour retour.
Ah ouais?
Oh t'inquiète hein. C'est
I
tes
don't
choix.
give a shit.
You look horrible.
That's what he
Yeah.
said.
Let's just get somewhere safe. You don't smell good.
Yeah, I know. Did he hurt you?
No. Not really. I'm sorry, Lee.
Clem, it's okay. We need to get you somewhere safe. And then we have to talk, okay?
Yeah.
Everything's okay now. We need to figure out how to get out of Savannah as fast as we can.
Tu veux qu'on prenne la tête de la vieille? Ça peut être marrant.
Faire une blague aux potes.
On peut faire des blagues pour les copains. Tu la mets dans le frigo. Ça le mec il va ouvrir et puis il fait ah!
He was going to kill you.
And take you. Yeah.
Eh ben on s'en va, c'est parti.
Tu t'ouvres le sac, tu dis y'a quoi dedans? Mets ta main pour voir. Oh le bâtard! Eh ouais!
Ah tu crois qu'elle peut croquer encore?
Tu reprends pas ton arme ou...
Elle est vide.
Non mais la mâchoire.
Ah. Ah c'est comme
Là elle est vide.
comme dans Walking Dead, je sens alors.
Didn't bite you.
Yeah. I know it. Must have.
You're covered in all that gross stuff.
Ah, tu es couvert de boudin.
Get here.
Alors attends.
That's how we'll get out of Savannah.
Hop. Je branche mon casque, il a plus de batterie.
Allez. C'est l'heure de manger.
Ah, on va se tartiner de... Ah, trop bien.
Oh no.
Ah, on peut fermer la porte parce que quand même c'est dangereux un peu. Allez, un
c'est
petit
de la
collier
ratatouille.
I'm sorry. J'espère qu'elle a pas de plaie ouverte parce que sinon, à coup sûr, c'est l'hépatite.
Pire, je pense.
Are you done?
A little more. I want to be sure.
Allez, sur ta tronche.
Merde.
There. That should do it.
I hope so.
Ça va, on te rachètera une robe.
I thought it was gone.
I thought you were gone.
Thank
Oh. So cute.
Stay right next to me. Walk very slowly. Don't look around. And don't panic. I'll keep you safe.
Oui.
Bah, s'ils peuvent pas te sentir, est-ce que justement faut pas genre tracer ta race?
Ah, tu vas trop vite
Évidemment,
dès
il
que
va
tu
pleuvoir.
bouscules ou que...
Ça me fait penser que genre si tu mets une armure, c'est worse. Tu peux pas mordre une cotte de maille.
Le problème c'est que tu fais masse de bruit, t'es lourd, enfin...
Qui se promène dans la rue en cotte de maille. Eh oh ouais.
Eh oh, regarde où tu marches.
Ah, regarde où tu marches. Il y en a un, il va me mettre une balayette d'ailleurs.
Attention.
Oh.
Ouais, t'as eu chaud quand même.
Passage piéton.
Priorité à droite. Oh là. Bonjour monsieur.
Oh, elle a vu sa mère. Fuck. Oh.
Oh fuck.
Lee, wake up. Please don't be dead. Please, no. Lee, I was so scared. I thought you left me. I saw my parents.
I know. They didn't get to you, right?
No. We got away. They're dead for sure.
Je suis vraiment pas en forme, je suis presque plus noir.
We have to get out of here as fast as we can.
We can't.
Je
There's
suis devenu
thousands
violet
of them
maintenant.
outside.
We have to. I'll protect you. We'll push
No,
through them.
no, that's crazy. I saved you. We're safe here. I locked us in.
Get that door open.
I can't.
Do it!
It was only a little open when I found it. I closed it to keep us safe.
Pull on 3. 1, 2, 3.
See?
Clementine, honey,
What happened? No, that's not. No.
yes, Clem, it is. It's gonna be okay. You are gonna be okay. We just have to think and work together.
Okay. I think there might be a way out over there.
Oh, c'est le shérif.
Bonjour, police nationale.
I might be a little slow.
I'll help you. I got you. You can lean on me if you have to.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
I thought I was helping by bringing you in here.
You couldn't have known. I should have told you.
It was scary at the hotel.
La réponse des fois...
Keep going. We're almost
Quoi?
there.
Des fois t'as des réponses... Là c'était ah, super, on est mal. Non mais il y a les réponses possibles. On va
Ouais,
trop
bah,
rabat-joie,
tout à l'heure j'avais le choix entre dire à Kenny que c'était un connard ou... Il y a des fois
Get
ça
up,
peut...
Lee. The door is right here.
Allez!
Allez, putain, plus vite! Encore! Ah.
You have to.
Damn, I can't move. This is it for me here.
Please try to get up.
Allez, comment?
Allez, putain!
Le jeu ne veut pas.
You don't have much time. You gotta do something. Fast.
Like what?
here as soon as you can.
I can't leave you.
Just work on getting out, okay? We'll figure it all out. Don't worry.
Ah non mais là je suis full dead.
Just start by getting that door open.
It's locked.
It's no big deal. It's just a glass window.
Ow!
Not with your hand. There's a baseball bat under the counter, Clem. You can use that. The way out's through there, Clem.
Ah mais non mais...
I know.
Super.
Use the bat to shatter that window so you can reach in, okay?
Okay.
Attends, je vérifie juste un truc. Le string tourne toujours ou pas? Attends. Ouais, c'est bon. Autant pour moi.
C'était pas une grosse vitre.
Don't be afraid of him, honey. You're smart. Yes, it. You're smarter than all of them. The way out's through there, Clem.
I know.
Bah vas-y
You
alors.
in there. Don't worry. We're doing good.
Et what? Qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je lui dise?
Grab the chair, Clem. Use it to reach in to the lock.
Ah. Je m'attendais pas à ça.
Open it.
He's trapped.
This'll be easy then. He's got keys. Probably to that door. And everything you'll need. There's keys and the gun. You're gonna need both of those.
C'est dommage, t'es allé vite sur un truc par terre.
Bah j'ai eu l'impression, oui. Ah ouais.
There are handcuffs on the ground. Get them.
Okay, Lee.
Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire avec des menottes?
Oh, voyons. Lui attacher les mains.
Bah il bouge beaucoup trop vite quand même.
Et je disais pas lui.
Ah non, à moi. Oh.
Eh.
You're doing really good. Put the handcuffs on me. Attach me to this.
What? Why?
No matter what happens, I'm safe there.
Oh, il en fait d'un bordel l'autre derrière.
I don't know.
Ouais, genre, faut lui refermer sa gueule aussi.
Make sure they're tight.
I don't want to do this.
You have to. It'll keep you safe. You only have to deal with him. He's trapped over there. Be careful. Get what you need from him.
The keys, and then the gun.
The keys and the gun. Just don't be afraid. If anything gets dangerous, you're faster than he is.
What should I get first?
Get the gun, Clem. Always the gun. Clem, no! Get him! Get him! Watch out!
Oh! Ah non, mais t'as la main attachée, mon gars. T'es con.
The bat!
Non!
Get the bat!
Troll! nul. 0 damage, MDR.
Moins 2, moins 1. Bon, il avait 10 PV, ça va.
C'est un tank.
I did it. I got him.
Great, Clem. Good job.
GG noob. Git good. Shoot me in the face.
You're strong, Clem. You can do anything.
But I'm little.
Doesn't mean nothing. You go see bad stuff, but it's okay.
My parents. It's so horrible.
I can't imagine, Sweet Pea.
And now, you? Please. Please don't be one of them. Please don't become a walker.
Et je déconne, c'était une blague. Non, je...
You can do. You know that.
I don't know if I can.
You have to shoot me, honey.
Lee, no.
It's okay. It's okay. Clem, I was standing over Doc holding that gun. It was so hard. I'm sorry you're in that position now. I'd give anything for you not to be. But you just have to point it at me. Close your eyes and be thankful you never have to see me as one of them. You can do it. I know you can.
Okay, Lee. I can do it. I can.
Find Mead and Krista. They're outside of town, by the train. You remember how to get back there?
Yes.
Good. They'll take good care of you. And Clem. Keep that hair short.
I will. I'll cut it myself.
Great. Good. And also...
Ah, c'est marrant.
What is it?
No, don't worry. All right. I'll miss you.
Me too.
Such émotion.
Ah, ça.
Ah, vise la tête au moins. Attends, what, c'est fini? C'était super court en fait.
Ouais, j'avoue. Désespoir. Vous et 28% des joueurs ont gardé le bras. Vous et 64% des joueurs s'est emporté. C'était quoi? Oui, contre Kenny peut-être? Je sais plus.
Ouais.
Désarmé.
Vous et donner ses armes.
Vous et 59% des joueurs a gardé quelque chose. Donc,
quoi? Genre, il y a des gens qui l'ont pas tué?
Ouais. Ça, c'est... Bah non, ouais. Moi, j'aurais tué aussi.
Bah oui.
Ah, bah, on aurait pu ne pas le tuer, l'autre? Ah.
Bah, c'était risqué, non?
Ah. Alors, Kenny, tu as défendu son fils au drugstore, tu lui as parlé de ton passé, tu as tué son fils pour lui épargner cela, il a été pris par la horde en sauvant Ben. Tu as trouvé de l'eau pour Doug qui avait soif, elle s'est tuée en apprenant la mort de son... Ouais. Tu as essayé de le ranimer par massage cardiaque, Larry est mort dans la chambre froide. Tu as soutenu quand les provisions ont disparu, tu as choisi de lui révéler ton passé. Tu l'as laissé sur le bord de la route. Vous avez été séparés après le panneau. C'est genre au
Histoire nulle. Tu as
C'est-
soutenu Ben à Crawford. Ben a fait une chute mortelle à Savannah.
Ah, Carly, putain.
Confiance pour parler de ton passé. Carly!
Tu as sauvé sa vie au dépens d'une
Tu
autre.
as sauvé sa vie, putain! Elle a été tuée par Lily, cette grosse connasse.
Ouais.
Tu l'as défendue contre les accusations de Lily. C'était ta meuf.
Ah bah ça.
Tu l'as aidé à monter dans le train, tu lui as montré ta morsure, tu leur as demandé de te rejoindre au train, tu as demandé à Omid et elle de s'occuper de Clem. Doug maintenant, Doug. Oh là là, incroyable. Tu étais avec lui quand tu as trouvé ton frère. Il est mort quand ils ont attaqué le drugstore. C'est vrai.
Ah là là.
Et enfin, Duke. Duke.
Duc.
Tu l'as
Canard.
secouru à la ferme Dershall. Ah oui, c'est vrai. Tu as insisté qu'il n'avait pas été mordu à Macon. Tout à fait. Tu lui as tiré dessus avant sa transformation, ouais. Il a été ton partenaire pour résoudre un mystère. Ah oui, c'est vrai, j'avais oublié. C'était une sombre histoire.
Sombre histoire, ça. Je sais plus s'il y a une fin après. Dans le doute, on va laisser quand même.
Tu crois?
Pas une fin.
Il n'y a pas moyen, pas moyen de skip.
Pas moyen d'aller plus vite. Attends, je vérifie.
Comment on skip? Comment on skip? Comment on skip? Je veux skip!
Ah, on peut pas.
Ah! I want to skip!
Putain. Bon bah voilà, ah, j'avoue que je pensais pas que ce serait aussi rapide, tu vois.
Ouais, c'était...
La dernière fois on avait fini, il était 22h, pas loin de 22h je crois. Plus de
ouais,
22h?
il était 22h.
Ah, il était 22h. Hein.
Il était 22h la dernière fois. Allez, oui.
C'est ouf, tu te dis le nombre de gens qui a travaillé dessus à chaque fois quoi. Je me dis mais putain, il y a vraiment des mecs qui devaient se curer le nez je pense hein.
Et le mec il veut que je développe un jeu tout seul.
Tu peux faire le boulot de 800 personnes s'il te plaît?
Tu vois ce jeu de merde là, ils sont 350. Vas-y.
Fais mieux.
Vas-y, fais mieux.
Après, Zombie Voice, tu peux tous les faire, tu vois. Regarde le nombre de gens qui ont fait les voix de zombies, quoi.
Allez, à ton tour, Michel.
Ah, l'exoré, j'arrive au bon moment. Exactement, bah on attend de voir si, comme dans les films, tu sais, t'as toujours un petit passage à la fin.
Est-ce qu'il y a une fin après la fin?
S'il vous plaît. Et puis après, j'aurai une grande question sur le jeu. Ah bah oui.
Oh!
Oh! C'est ça, exactement l'exoré, tu vois. Même lui aurait pu faire la voix de 40 personnes qui l'ont fait, quoi. Je sais pas
Ouais,
que
non, mais
autant de personnes pour faire des voix de zombies. Pire, t'en prends 2 ou 3 et puis tu les modifies selon la glace. Enfin, tu vois, en modifiant la voix, tu vois.
Ah, tu prends un homme et une femme et puis c'est bon.
C'est ça. C'est les Marvel qui ont popularisé ça. Ah, les fins de. Ouais, bah ouais, forcément.
J'avoue.
Oh,
Je
pardon.
quand on allait au ciné et puis qu'on était là. Attends! Attends!
Attends, on sait jamais! Tu vois, genre les remerciements spéciaux, pourquoi? Qu'est-ce qu'ils ont fait ces gens-là? Genre Midi, qu'est-ce que t'as fait là?
Ils ont sûrement fait des trucs bien.
Oui, bah j'espère. C'est vrai, sinon ils auraient pas nommé, tu vois. Et les connards à la fin, tu sais.
Et les gens qu'on remercie pas du tout. Thierry.
En you. Oh, et nous?
And you. Ah, je sais pas, peut-être dans les remerciements, je sais pas, peut-être un mec qui a ramené des trucs.
Marie, perpetual pain in the rear. Ah!
La fin spéciale!
Déjà, il a pu partir de la ville.
Et la bim elle se fait manger. Fin.
Mais elle est pas allée au train?
Ah, mais ça c'est longtemps après, je pense.
Bah,
Ah
toujours sur la demande dégueulasse. Bah,
Ouais.
Voilà. Fin de la saison 1.
Tada.
Ma grande
The end,
question.
season one.
Est-ce que ça t'a plu
Vas-y.
déjà? T'as le droit de
Ah.
dire non, hein, du coup, parce que je voyais que t'étais en silence.
Non, j'ai freeze.
Et donc?
Allô?
Oui.
Tu m'entends?
Oui.
Mais genre correctement?
Oui.
Ok.
Qu'est-ce qui t'arrive?
Je sais pas, c'est... Ah bah là, Parsec il est re dans les fraises.
On va
Je sais pas
Parsec
ce qui se
qui
passe.
va aller se faire foutre.
Eh, Parsec sans
Allez
déconner,
hop,
c'est la
ça
dernière
dégage,
fois. Hein.
Parsec, putain. Et oui, du
Allez,
coup,
Parsec, ça dégage.
réponds-moi. Answer me.
Quoi?
Ah putain, il a pas
C'était
entendu
quoi
la
la
question. Bah, est-ce que ça t'a plu déjà?
Tu peux fermer Parsec.
Fermer ta gueule?
Oh,
Oui,
je-
non, je vais fermer Parsec, quoi. Ma gueule, non, bah,
Tu veux
je la
bien
fermerai
fermer
pas.
C'est bon, j'ai fermé Parsec. Bah oui, non, oui, oui.
Mais du coup, est-ce que tu serais chaud pour faire la saison 2?
Ah bah oui, maintenant qu'on est parti.
Ah, c'est ce que je voulais entendre. On fera pas les 400
Ah
jours
ouais.
émission parce que ça a aucun rapport.
Ouais, c'est ce que tu disais l'autre jour. Hein.
Exactement. Bah écoute,